I am in a restaurant with this girl and she wants me to, order the food, and I'm like, no, you order the food. We have this debate going on who is going to order the food, and after 2 minutes of debate, she orders the food. When a girl with his guy or with a guy, she wants him to take charge, she wants him to lead, and she just wants to turn her brain off and be totally dependent on her, act feminine. He takes care of her. But with me, the condition was not like that because I was acting so, feminine. I didn't have confidence to order the food. Basically, I was forcing her, go do it, go do it. And it's moment like this when she decided she wouldn't date me. Basically, she won't fuck me. Even though I was too attractive for her and I had other good qualities. And when she said these small things are the reason why I wouldn't date you. And I was shocked, like, what did I do wrong? I'm there for you, I'm paying, and all these kinds of stuff. So what's wrong? And I was really shocked when I started learning about masculine and feminine roles. That's when I realized I fucked up big time. And I started making all those changes. 6 months later, she came back to me and now she wants to date me, but I have realized that this is not the girl. So I had to say no. And now I'm dating a girl. She will listen to everything I say. Like she's breaking her own rules for me. Like she's going beyond limits. Because now I know what they want. I know how a man should be and how a woman should be. See, if you're a nice guy, she will never break her rules for you. She will never go beyond limits. But for bad boys, they do, and you have seen it. For me, my girl does these things, but I'm not a bad boy. I do the same things that bad boys do, but I do it in a gentleman way. There's no toxicity. So I'll give you 3 reasons why girls find bad boys attractive. You can use these tactics to be a gentleman and still get the benefits. Don't have to be a bad boy. So the first point is they don't give a fuck. A nice guy or a good guy is like, oh, society, this, my parents, people, my friends. Whereas a bad boy is like, fuck what others think, fuck, I don't give a fuck. This is how I live, this is what I want, and this is how I'm going to take it. Nice guys have all these fantasies in a bed, but they will never say it because, oh, what will she think? Whereas a bad boy is like, this is what I want, BDSM or whatever. I'm taking this example to extreme level, but you get it, right? They speak their mind, there's authenticity, and this attitude of not giving a fuck. It's just super confident, and girls find it super attractive. The second point is they stand up for their partner. Let's say you're with your girl and you're walking down with the road, and this guy bumps into your girl, and he says, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to," and you're like, "Oh, it's okay, dude," and you just go away. That's not attractive. Whereas a bad boy, someone bumps up into her girl and is attacking, he's on the fight mode, he's grabbing that guy's collar and like, watch out bro. Aggression mode. That's what she's like, I feel safe around him, no one's going to touch me because he's this guy, he doesn't shy away from a challenge. Nice guy's like, oh, it's okay dude, you apologize, all fine. I don't want you to become a criminal for a girl, but you must stand up for her in situations like this. And third point is give her drama. See, women are emotional creatures, and most nice guys, they bore their girl. Why? Because they are always lovey-dovey, they are always available. Like whenever she calls or messages, she knows he's gonna be there. So they are always there. There's nothing is changing, no excitement. They never make her sad, they just directly say sorry. They never make her angry because they're always there. They never excites her. They kind of bore the girl and eventually end up heartbroken. But a bad boy, he makes her feel all kinds of emotion. Today he will say, I'll create a second moon for you. Next day he's not receiving her calls. All these emotions, excitement, fear, anger, make sure that your girl feels all of it. Now you don't have to ghost your girl like a bad boy. You can do it in a positive way. For that you need a purpose. So when you have a purpose, you are obsessed with your purpose. You literally don't have time to always be available for her. You literally won't have time to always be available for her, man. She will call you, but you will be busy. You're not in a toxic way, but you are like really busy with your work. And then you'll make time to call her. Maybe today you call at 2 p.m, next day you call at 4 p.m. She never knows when you're going to be available. When you meet her, you love her, you grab her and you lift her in your arms, you buy her presents. So you're not always available, you're not consistent. So we're just going to like be really excited, when is he gonna call, when I'll get to talk to him. And when we actually call, there's happiness because she was waiting for you. So that's literally two emotions. Then you set boundaries. If you don't like something, there's fights, so that's like sad and anger emotion. And you excite her, then you meet her and you actually love her, that's happy. There are lots of emotion. You lift her in your arms, you actually love her. There's nothing toxic in this. You genuinely don't find time because you're literally obsessed with your purpose. You're working really hard. But whenever you get time, you buy her gifts, you make her happy, you love her a lot. There are all kinds of emotion. There's excitement. So these three advices you can use it in a toxic way, but I won't recommend. I told you a gentleman way. So use it in a respectful manner. Don't be toxic. Like, don't use your brain. Okay, I'm not gonna reply in 2 hours. That's toxic. If you are free, just reply. And if you have a purpose, you're obsessed, you're probably not gonna be free and always won't be available to reply. So that's okay. So just be real human, but don't be a nice guy. Oh, I'm sorry. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you want.